and Dr. Sai Krishnan for providing us the opportunity to share the excellence in service process orientation by AVIO. Quality service support is the key element required for a successful business, as service support is an integral part of the product experience. Customer service is an opportunity to exceed your customers' expectations. That is why customer service support has always been a core value for AVIO. Excellence is not a destination. It is a continuous journey that never ends. During the last decade, we have been grown from strength to strength with advanced research and development and creativity to bring out the uniqueness in service support. Ladies and gentlemen, hold your breath. We are giving a live demo, and we have just logged a call 30 minutes back to show how we will do this. Mr. Satyendra Sharma, who has developed this CRM, will explain the details. Satyendra, please take it.
Yep. Now, when a client calls or emails regarding a service problem or a new installation, it is logged as a call in the CRM. As per our algorithm, the call is automatically delegated to an engineer. You can see the live demo is already told. Okay, now at the top one, this is the live call which has been logged some time back.
So we just track the engineer now.
And it has been automatically delegated to the engineer. And as soon as this call is logged and it is delegated to the engineer, the concerned engineer gets a notification on his Android app. Okay, and then he has to provide an ETA, that is expected time of arrival. Now, after giving the ETA, engineer can be tracked. Okay, he can be tracked.
Engineer. We'll track it online now.
We can get his live movements and his distance from the actual site of working.
Every
GPS.
2 minutes it is getting updated where the engineer is located. Just it will take some time to upload, I think. The connectivity is...
Yeah, you can see here.
You can see the locations now. Yeah.
You can see here. See this location with the $2 signs. Actually, this is the actual site, okay, at which the call is logged, the ATM, and this is the latest position at present where the engineer is, okay, the @ sign. So we can see here how much he's far away from the
760 meters. 760 meters is far from the site, so the customer can know from where the engineer is.
See, it is fully loaded now. So this is how we can track him. Okay, live. Now, this panel can also be accessed by our customers. Okay, so that they can log the call and also track the engineer. Okay, through this GPS location, similar to what our coordinators can do. And this makes the system transparent and more reliable.
This is the first part of our CRM software where the call was logged, delegated, and then tracked till completion. Now the second part, which is again very important, as it gives numerous reports at a click of button. These reports are of tremendous help to us as it improves the quality of service and increases customer satisfaction. We have evolved our system with various reports in last 2 years, which were added with our requirements and hence made us proficient in day-to-day challenges faced on the field. Following reports can be generated: open calls with aging analysis, closed call and TAT analysis, engineer MIS report, repeat calls control report, chargeable call report, new installation details, customer-wise uptime, downtime calculation, e-reports, asset data tracking report, calls on hold report. I think we'll show you some reports how they are working. Open, can we just have the...
Mr. Upti.
Any Alex? Like this is a open service call report as on today. You can just lift it up. We have done the breakup in 2 hours, 4 hours, 12 hours, 8 hours, 1 day, 2 day. So we have done that this thing so we can know what is the duration of the call. Open calls. We can just summarize also, like for today's we have this very less calls are there. Second is closed stack analysis. This report will give resolution time taken to close a call. On an average, we are closing more than 50% calls in 4 hours. Anywhere in India.
Hello. Now, after that, there is engineer MIS report. Can we have that? Now, we are having two parts of this MIS report. One is branch-wise. Now, in this report, okay, we'll see how a particular branch is performing. We have designed a point system. Can we elaborate this thing? Okay, there is a point system to quantify the performance of our branches and engineers. Now, different points are given
We have this
for
category
different
also,
types of calls
ABCD category for the city-wise.
and also for location categories. Then there is engineer-wise. Okay, this is engineer-wise report. Now, this shows how engineers are performing and how many and what type of calls they are attending and in which area. Okay, so and again after this, we can also track engineer on hourly basis and monthly basis, or as per our choice, any time frame. Now, we can have that another report. Yeah, this is the time.
Engineers are tracked on hourly basis, like how which
Different time slots, 8 to 9, 9 to 10, and how much calls each engineer has closed hourly in each hour. So this is the reports. Okay, then repeat calls control report.
Next slide, repeat calls.
Repeat calls control report.
So we know how many false calls we get, no? So for that we have done this repeat calls also.
Now this report shows
Calls
us
or regular calls.
This report shows us the sites with 3 or more service calls within a year. Now this helps us to track the problematic sites and rectify the problem with senior engineers so that productivity is increased and unwanted calls are reduced. Now after this, we will have chargeable call summary report. Now these, as you know that chargeable calls, okay, these are there to track the calls done on request basis so that any revenue leakage is stopped. Then we have new installation calls. Now these calls are tracked and the site's GPS location is captured because definitely this is the first
Just
time.
now what we saw, no GPS location we can capture. So next time when the engineer goes there, you can, yeah.
And also the different assets which will be installed on those sites, like asset type, specification, warranty, all these things are entered so that they can be tracked in future. And also for an ongoing big project, this helps in live update to customers at no extra efforts.
So once the site is installed, we can know the distance when the next call will come. So that will help us. We have this customized uptime downtime report calculations for improving performance and meeting some in certain tenders. The tender these terms are there. No, they want this uptime reports. We are also doing e-reports. It is under final stage and it is about to be implemented in next 15 days, where we will email to clients instantly on call closure, along with the signature from the concerned persons from the site only.
Again, asset data tracing, okay, will be there. Means what assets are there at what places, and we will get alerts on warranty and AMC expiry. Okay. Now all these reports that we are seeing, they are optimized to work very fast and can be exported in popular formats like Excel, PDF in no time. And at present we are having in our database more than 2 lakh records, okay, of different types, and definitely we get results in 5 to 6 seconds. So they are very, very fast. Again, this is failure analysis, okay, or basically we are having calls hold report. So only those calls that are put on hold, which are pending due to customer dependency, okay, means there might be some problem, okay, from the customers, so they are put on hold.
Dear friends, this was a brief demo. We could not show you much because of this connectivity issue, and maybe this from this site is not visible. So, brief demo of what we have done to automate our service process and improve ourselves to provide a better service to our customers. I hope you have enjoyed and liked the demo. and we appreciate your patience. We also promise everyone that we will continue our endeavor to improve our service better. Thank you.
Thank you.